Alright, I arrived at location. I have an Aston Martin DBS for inspection, Superleggera. It's a V12, it's a 2019 model, and it is 5.2 litre twin turbo. It's 6 years old. It's a premium inspection, and let's just go and see Gary. We'll have a look on the paperwork first, and then we'll take it from there. Let's find the reception. All right, where's the reception? Over here. Morning, guys. I'm here to see Gary for the inspection on Aston Martin DBS.
Okay, you need to go to the Aston Martin branch just there behind you, sir.
Okay, cool, thank you. So, it's on our side. It's on our side. Hi, morning. I'm here to see Gary.
That's me.
Hi, Gary. I'm Klaus. I'm here to
Yep.
have a look on a.
So it's going to be 5 hour.
Are you busy, guys?
Yeah. Yeah, we're always busy.
That's always good to hear.
On holiday, so yeah, it's not.
Thank you.
So I take it this is your full time.
Yeah, that's the only thing I do.
Keep busy with this.
It is up and down. Sometimes it's busy, sometimes it slows down. I just went by mistake on opposite side.
Oh, right, okay, fair enough. I think
Didn't look on the signs.
the arrow sort of tells you to turn right. So
I assume it's a Grange, so I think it's.
yeah, same company, but they won't really help you.
Now I was thinking probably that will be maybe new and this will be used,
Right,
but
okay.
then I seen the sign that was the JLR. Is this one of your trading or you bought it back from customer?
I bought it from a service customer, so he was servicing. I think when it was here, we bought it directly.
Did Andy road tested the car?
Yeah, last Saturday.
will give you to sign my form, so allow me to do the inspection. Do you often have an inspection, so just once in a blue moon?
Once in a blue moon, really. Again, because we do our own inspections, most people are okay with that, but I suspect where Andy's buying all different cars all the time, I suppose he's quite used to having it done.
You know, sometimes sellers are not even aware of certain things sometimes, you know?
I mean, trying, because it's our money going into stuff first, and again, we're liable when we're retailing. So you try and do all your due diligence as much as you can. So, but you know, as things do come up.
I just need your signature here if your details are correct. If you check this mobile number, if it's yours or company one. So it's got a tracker, yeah?
Yeah.
Some sort of alarm in
Yeah.
it. So did this has to be in a car before, otherwise it would not
That's how
start?
we bought it. So that's not a factory system, that's an additional.
Yeah, but that have to be in a car for a car to run?
Yes.
If it's not in a car, it will cut out, yeah?
I suspect so, but we've never tried it. So
No, I'm just asking because I noticed
there are instructions for it in the car. So
Okay.
I'll tell you, we've got a deadlock system. I suspect it won't start, but again, I've never tried it without.
Fair enough. Whereabouts the car is located?
Just in the workshop. You okay with it? Those two?
Yeah, I will check both of them, then I can give you one set back. Just that one there. Okay. Cool. I can just bring my car closer, yeah? And,
Just keep it to one side so don't block their access.
Okay.
From that point of view. Yeah.
cool, no problem. All right. Yeah, okay, thank you. So let me go get a car and we'll crack on.